Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna make Semolina Kesari. It's a very simple and an easy sweet recipe. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, a handful of cashew nuts, 5 to 6 pieces of cardamom, 6 small cubes of butter, 1.5 cups of semolina, a pinch of salt, orange food coloring, a teaspoon of rose water, 3 cups of milk and 2 cups of sugar. Now let's get started. Now take a pan on a low flame. Add about 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 cubes of butter to it. And then add the cashew nuts and roast it well until it changes its color. Once the cashew nuts are roasted well, transfer it to a plate. Now add about 1.5 cups of semolina to the same pan and roast it well in the ghee until you get a nice aroma. Make sure that it doesn't get burnt. Keep stirring it continuously. Now once the semolina is roasted well, just transfer it to a plate. Now take another pan on a medium flame. Add about 2 cubes of butter, 3 cups of milk and cardamom pieces to it. Now when the milk starts boiling, add the roasted semolina into the milk and keep stirring it continuously so that no lumps are formed. Then add about 2 cups of sugar and mix it well. You can adjust it according to your taste. Now add a pinch of salt and orange food coloring to it and mix it well. Then add the rest of the butter and mix it well. Then add the rest of the butter and the roasted cashew nuts to it. Now add about half a tablespoon of rose water to it and mix it well. Now cover the lid and leave it for about 15 minutes on a very low flame. Now our tasty Semolina Kesari is ready to be served. Hope you all like my recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you all for watching.